Bluefin tuna are one of the largest, strongest, and most efficient fish species to have ever evolved in the ocean. This fish species is at the heart of a global harvesting, processing, and consumption chain, connecting the ocean with modern fishing technology, industrial processing plants, and international distribution systems. These videos will follow the entire journey. Let's explore together with the Discover. Bluefin tuna possess a body structure that is almost perfectly optimized for speed and endurance in the open ocean environment. Their elongated bodies help reduce water resistance, while their well-developed muscle mass allows them to maintain continuous movement at high intensity. The stiff, stable fins help the fish control its direction precisely, while the sickle-shaped tail generates strong thrust, allowing the fish to accelerate quickly and swim long distances efficiently. Unlike most other fish species, bluefin tuna are able to regulate their body temperature to a level higher than their surroundings. Their unique heat exchange system allows them to keep vital muscle tissue warm, even when swimming through cold waters. In terms of size, adult bluefin tuna can reach weights exceeding 600 kilograms and lengths of over 4 meters. Their lifespan extends for decades, allowing them to accumulate significant muscle mass and energy over time. Each year, fish undertake migrations of thousands of kilometers between breeding grounds and feeding areas, constantly moving with ocean currents and food sources. The combination of speed, endurance, large size, and high biological adaptability has made the bluefin tuna one of the most efficient creatures in the ocean. These very characteristics also make this fish an ideal target for large-scale fishing operations, where modern technology is designed to access and exploit the biological machines of the ocean. Bluefin tuna are identified through the analysis and combination of various data sources from the ocean environment. Surface and depth water temperatures help determine areas where the fish are likely to be found. Ocean currents provide information about the natural migration routes of fish schools, while seabird activity on the surface often serves as a visual indicator of the presence of food sources below. Bluefin tuna fishing is primarily carried out by large vessels with a tonnage of up to hundreds of tons, capable of operating for extended periods far offshore. These ships not only serve as transport vessels, but also as complete production platforms, where the entire process of searching for, harvesting, and preserving fish takes place directly at sea. Satellite navigation and sonar systems help pinpoint areas with fish schools, while devices that monitor water temperature and ocean currents assist in selecting the appropriate time and location for fishing. Water temperature plays a crucial role, as bluefin tuna tend to congregate in water layers with temperature conditions suitable for metabolic activity and hunting. Ocean currents help determine the direction of fish schools' movement, while also reflecting the distribution of plankton and prey fish. On the surface, concentrated activity of seabirds is often a visual signal that there are schools of small fish below, the main food source for bluefin tuna. Once the target area is identified, the ship begins deploying its long line system. This system can extend for tens of kilometers, carrying hundreds to thousands of hooks positioned at pre-calculated intervals and depths. The hooks are placed in the water column where bluefin tuna typically move and feed, increasing accessibility while maintaining control over the harvesting process. The entire system is continuously monitored to adjust to the actual conditions of the current and time of day. When a fish bites the hook, and is pulled onto the vessel, initial processing is carried out immediately. Fish are immobilized, cleaned, and rapidly cooled to minimize tissue damage and reduce biodegradation. Controlling the time and temperature during this stage directly affects the color, elasticity, and muscle structure of the fish. These early processing steps lay an important foundation for onboard preservation and ensure the quality of the fish before it is transferred to the industrial processing chain on shore. Immediately after harvesting and initial processing, bluefin tuna are transferred to the preservation stage on board the vessel. This is a crucial step in maintaining the fish's biological quality for the remainder of the voyage. From this point on, bluefin tuna are ready to enter the next stage of the production chain. The journey from the open ocean to the industrial processing environment on shore. Thanks to precise temperature control, the characteristic red color of bluefin tuna meat is maintained. The muscle structure remains firm, and elasticity is not diminished. The natural flavor of the fish meat is also preserved before moving on to the next stages. When bluefin tuna are brought to the factory, the industrial processing begins with sorting. The fish are evaluated based on size, weight, flesh color, and preservation condition after the fishing trip. Bluefin tuna processing plants utilize modern, closed-loop production lines. Each stage, from cleaning, cutting, freezing to packaging, is strictly controlled for hygiene and food safety. As a result, the final product can be stored and distributed for a long time while retaining the original characteristics of the fish meat. Processed bluefin tuna is distributed to many markets around the world. From a creature living in the open ocean, the bluefin tuna has undergone many technical and industrial processes. As a result, the bluefin tuna has become an indispensable part of today's global food supply chain. What you just saw illustrates how the ocean is connected to the dinner table through science, technology, and large-scale production. Which stage of this journey impressed you the most? Is it the unique biological ability of bluefin tuna or the offshore fishing process? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to follow the Discover Channel